2018 a Ram 2500. I'm gonna be replacing that with this. If you'd like to see it, just stay tuned. And it's I'm not sure, I haven't installed one of these before, and this is a 7-inch. I'm gonna need a T20 right here and right there. Remove that. So what I mean by T20 is a torque 20 right there, and 2 screw. Now you can just remove it by pry it out. I have a pry tool right here. You come right there and turn it, and then if you don't use radio anymore, you can go right here and pry it out like so. And then all you got, it's pretty simple. It's all clips. It's not gonna hurt it, it's not gonna break it, but just be careful. Now you're gonna need a 7mm. I use this and my drill. So I got 4 of these out, and once you get it out, just pull it like that. And then what you do on here, you're gonna have to squeeze it in and pull it up. I'm gonna remove the rest of these first by push, squeeze, and pull. Some of them are hard to do. See, squeeze, pull, squeeze and pull. This is aux port. When I said squeeze and pull, you squeeze this, not the whole thing, this, and then pull it out like that. Alright, so I'm going to show you a couple of things. They do come with these. That's a remove tool. And these for the jacks, the antenna. This is the plug in the USB. This is a power port. That's not it. And the GPS right there. So what you want to do, you want to flip it over and start doing something here. Well, when I'm talking about doing something, I'm gonna start putting the microphone right here and run it down here all the way up there. It's pretty simple, and all you do is grab and pull. Simple and easy. Now some people prefer it over here, some people like it here. I like it here because you literally can talk right there, because when you speak right here, when you speak from here, right here, you can, your voice right there, if you put it over there, it's a little bit farther. You want people to say, hey, I can hear you. You want to pry this out right there. It's all clips. Hey, why this thing is on? That's weird. So I'm gonna run the wire through there. I'm gonna grab this. I call it a grabber. You can get it from your local store. When you press this come out right there. So that way you can just hook it down like so. Now when I'm done with that, I'm gonna plug in the antenna. I put it down like so, and make sure there's nothing underneath there that can damage the radio. And make sure, I'm gonna flip it around. I'll plug this. As you can see, this thing is on the top. Don't get confused with that. I've seen some people messed it up by put it upside down. And this right there, we're gonna plug into the USB, where I get that from. And then this antenna right there, we're gonna put GPS antenna. And now with the main plug, I'm gonna plug this main right here, right there. And this is for the horn, which is for that one. So what we got right here, we got cam CVBT plus. It's gonna be 31, 32 the pin, and it should be green, dark green, and some color. I couldn't remember exactly. You're gonna have to plug that in to this right there. Then you see the mic right there. You're gonna have to plug that in also. The main plug right here. Anyway, it's got to be down like this first, so it's gonna pull that in right there. See that? It's got to be up like this, and then you push it in. Now I got plugged the antenna in. I plugged the Bluetooth mic already. And then I'm looking for the plug for the USB right there. Plug that in. I'm gonna tape it up. You gotta tape it up. So let's turn it on and see what it does. See, this should be programmed already. If not, we're gonna have to play with it. Let's see if the radio's playing. So what we got right here, we're gonna put on reverse, and this camera. We're gonna go back, and music's playing. Go back right there, and then we got this that works. So basically only this and this will work. There's no volume on here. It's kind of funny. See? And you can pick up, and that's no volume on here. So we got it here. So what we got right here, we're gonna put on reverse, and this camera. We're gonna go back, and music's playing. Go back right there, and then we got this that works. So basically only this and this will work. There's no volume on here. It's kind of funny. See? And you can pick up, and that's no volume on here. So we got it here.